In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page using Webflow, a versatile visual website builder that makes creating and managing your online presence a breeze. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Webflow website. You can use any browser you prefer, just navigate to webflow.com. Once you're there, look for the button that says it's free and give it a click. This will start the process of creating a new account if you don't already have one. Next, you'll need to create an account. You can either sign up using your email and a password or choose to sign in with Google for a quicker setup. If you're opting for the email route, ensure you create a unique password to keep your account secure. Now that you're all set up, navigate to the Webflow dashboard and go to the Sites section. This is where you'll manage your website pages. Look for the Pages option in the navigation menu and click on it. This will open up a list of all the pages on your site. What you want to do next is locate the gear icon associated with the page you want to hide. Clicking on this will reveal the settings for that specific page. Before proceeding, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the settings, as there's quite a bit you can customize here. In the settings panel, find the drop-down menu option. Clicking this will show a variety of choices. From here, you'll want to click on Save as Draft. This action effectively removes the page from being publicly accessible, making it invisible to visitors. For those looking for alternative methods, you have a couple of options. One involves opting for a paid subscription plan to unlock password protection for specific pages, adding an additional layer of security. If you're comfortable with advanced customization, you might explore using custom code to hide your pages, though this approach is not recommended for beginners due to its complexity. Don't forget to explore the Open Graph Image URL settings if you're interested in how your page link appears when shared on social media. Now, for those utilizing custom code, you can insert it into the custom code section. Ensure that this code only applies to the specific page and appears after any site-wide custom code. With all your changes in place, the next steps are to click on Save to ensure your updates are captured and then publish your site. When you publish, make sure to select the correct domains you want these changes to appear on. Lastly, once everything is set up to your satisfaction, click Close to exit the settings and review your newly hidden page. You've now mastered the basics of hiding a page in Webflow. Thank you for joining me and happy designing.